In this video, I'll show you how to fix Facebook star not send problem on Facebook. From here, you can solve this problem. You can follow the step 1. Open Play Store, tap on search icon, search Facebook application. From here, you make sure your Facebook apps is updated. If your Facebook apps is not updated, then update your Facebook apps. It helps to fix Facebook star send problem. Step 2. Open your phone setting. Tap on app. Tap on manage apps. Search Facebook application. Tap on Facebook. Tap on storage. On clear data. On clear cache. Clear cache data. It helps you to fix Facebook star send problem. Step 3. Check your region. Facebook star are not available in all countries. You can visit Facebook star ability page to check if your country support star. If unavailable your country, you would not able to send or buy the star. Follow all of steps to fix Facebook star send problem. If this video is helpful for you, please subscribe our channel and like this video.